Welcome back to Before the Millions Trading Academy. Hope everybody had a phenomenal day. Today, real quick, I'm about to just go over MetaTrader 5. This is the app that we use to place our trades, close our trades, look at our history. You're going to be using this app on a day-to-day basis as a trader. So, you should already have MetaTrader 5 or 4, either or. Me personally, I like MetaTrader 5, but they're both extremely similar. Once you know one, you know both. So after you create your broker account, and everybody should come to me to be able to, set up your broker account, fund up, and create your broker account. After you create your broker account, they're gonna send you an account password and an account username. So what you will do is you will come to settings, you'll hit new account, you'll type in whatever said broker that is. So let's say, for example, it's Osprey. You'll type that in, click it, and then you'll be able to paste, whether it's a live account or demo account, you'll be able to, type in or paste your account login and trader password. Once you do so, you'll be logged into your account. You'll be able to see your name, your information. I created a demo account just for this example. So you'll be able to see everything on your settings screen. Now, also on your settings screen, you have somewhere where you can change the charts here, right? You can change the colors. And these things that I have on: trade orders, trade positions, SLTP, trade history, and preload chart data, you want to have these on, right? You definitely want to have these on. So I'm going to show you why they're important, but make sure you have those on. Have your chart on candlesticks, and you can change the color to whatever color scheme you choose. If you choose to use mine, it's cool. It doesn't really matter. So once you do that, right, and you have everything else on the settings page. It's pretty self-explanatory. So what you'll do is you'll come to the quotes page. So the quotes page, this page here has all the currency pairs, right? So as you can see on my screen, I have a list of currency pairs here: Euro USD, GBP USD, USD Chef, so on and so forth. Now, there's more currency pairs than this, more things that you can trade. So let's say, for example, I wanted to trade gold, but it's not on my list. Over here on the top where it says enter symbol for search, you just tap that and type in whatever you're looking for, right? And you hit the plus sign to add it to your list. So you can see they have a lot of different categories of things you can trade. So it's up to you on what you want to trade. And then once you do so, you can add that to your list, right? So let's say I want to get into a trade. So now, initially when you first starting off, you'll be taking my signals, which is just, I said, one or two of the plays that I take every day, for the most part for you guys, so you guys can be able to make money with us. So for example, today, we went crazy, man. SPX went completely ballistic, smashed TB2 for 1-6 risk to reward. So let's just use this for example, right? So when I told you guys, okay, sell SPX, right? I sent the message. I'm like, guys, listen, sell SPX. I believe that SPX 500 is going to start to go down based off my strategy that I also teach you guys in the course. So now what you would do is you would just quickly go to SPX, type it in, add it to your list, SPX 500. So I added SPX 500 to my list. So now what you do when you tap SPX 500, this pops up. When this pops up, now you have a couple options of what you can do with it. You can go to look at the chart, right? And when you come to the chart, it's loading up. When you come to the chart, there's a couple things you can do here, right? So you can enter trades right here from the chart page, or you can enter trades from the quotes page. If you just tap SPX, you can just hit trade to start entering the trade. So I'm gonna show you guys how to just go straight to a trade, and I'm gonna also show you guys some cool things you could do with the chart. So on the SPX 500, tap it, you hit trade, right? I told you to sell, so quickly go sell. Now, I let you know whatever stop loss it is so that you can calculate your lot size. So you can go on that red supreme chart, right? Or you can, whatever way you want to do it, calculate your risk. Know exactly how much you're less risking on the trade. I'm letting you know how much it is. So now you go ahead and place your stop loss. Let's say I wanted to use a 0.10. I'm sorry, my lot size. I used a 0.10 for my lot size. Now, and over here, you can, add it by 10. It's just kind of these blue buttons. You can just add it by 10, subtract it by 10, however you want. But you can just click the middle button and type in whatever you want. After that, or before we even go there, above the lot size area where I'm typing, you see market execution. Now, sometimes the trade's going to be market execution. If I say sell XPX, then it's a market execution trade. That means get in right now, right? But if I tap market execution, now you can see the drop down. Sometimes I'm going to say buy stop or sell stop or any type. These are pending orders, and you learn about that in the course. But if it's a pending order, then you will just click it, and I'll let you know what the entry price is for you to type it in. But in this case, I just said sell SPX, so all you do is market execution, put in your lot size. Now, where it says stop loss, I give you the stop loss, SL. So you can literally just copy it, come here and paste it, right? And what you want to do is twin trade. So after you figure out whatever lot size you want, if I send 2 TPs, then what you want to do is just split it in half and enter it twice at the same time and set one take profit for the first one, right? And set another take profit. After you get into this trade, do it all over again. And set another take profit for the second one, for the second take profit, right? So once you have put the stop loss and the take profit in, you just go ahead and press sell. Now, in this case, it said invalid because this trade already hit take profit. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take the take profit off, so just so we can get in here for example purposes. So let's go ahead and sell. Boom. Now I'm in the trade. So the thing is, once you get into a trade, you're automatically gonna always start on negative because of spread. Don't always remember that. Very slight negative, nothing major. So right, we're $6 negative currently. Cool. This is XPX, pretty big lot size. Now, on your trade screen here, it shows your balance, right, which is 999. It shows your equity, how much you have with the trade currently floating, and your margin, free margin, and margin levels, right? So your equity is, how much you just have right now if you were to close all your trades. And then the margin, free margin, and margin level just lets you know if you're over leveraging or not. So you basically never want to see these numbers go red. If they go red or they start blinking red, that means you're over leveraging. You're betting way too much on your account. But let's go into the chart. So if we go to the XPX chart, we can see where it says sell and it has an arrow where we got in. That's why I like MetaTrader 5. It has a little red arrow at where we got in. It has this SL line here letting us know where our stop loss is, and we know where our entry is, right? This line. So the cool thing about this chart is you can actually adjust your stop loss on the chart, right? You can also adjust it on the trade screen by just holding down SPX, and then this tab comes up where you can modify it, or you can close it, or you can go to, do different things with it. But on the chart screen, you can actually edit it too. So if you just tap the SPX, it's going to light up like that. And then you could just drag it wherever you want. So let's say I wanted to drag my stop loss to right here. I do it. I hit the arrow, modify, perfect, easy. Let's say I wanted to set my TP on my chart screen. I can do it right here. Just tap where my entry is, where it says sell, anywhere on this line. Just tap it. Tap it. I could tap TP, and now I can move my TP around. What are all my TP? I put my TP right there. Cool. Hit the arrow, modify, it's done. Right? You can also set pending orders on this screen. On the top right, we have that little circle with the clock, that clock. If you tap it, you can set pending orders on the screen however I want. I could change it to a buy stop, right? And do a width on the chart with this line and move it up and down and adjust it where I want to put it. I can adjust the stop loss with it. It's super cool what you could do with this. You can also do instant trading where it'll put you in a trade instant once you click, like one-click trading, which is the box right next to the circle. If I click that, right? If I just want to get into a sell quick without any, I don't want it to ask me any second questions. I want to get in right now immediately. I can just tap sell, right? So he's going to ask you, do you want to turn on one-click trading? Yes, right? So I just hit sell, boom, I'm in there. I just hit buy, boom, I'm in the buy immediately, right? And now that I'm in the buy, I'm in the sell, right? What I can do is, like I said, I can tap it and I can adjust my stop loss right here on this screen. I can adjust it right here on the screen. Right, super cool. What you can also do is close a trade, right? You see close on the bottom, hit close. You can go ahead and close immediately, right? So there's a lot of super cool things you can do with this. Go ahead and play around with it. Get a demo account, play around with this. So when you're in a trade, right, on the trade screen, you'll see the different trades you're in. Like I said, you can also modify your position here, right? Change your stop loss, change your take profit. You can close your position here, right? And something that's actually cool too is you can also close a partial position. So let's say you put a 0.10 and you want to close half of your profits or half of the loss. Where it says 0.10, you could just change it to a 0.05 or to a 0.06, whatever you wanted to change it to, and close a partial loss or a partial win, right? So it's pretty cool what you can do. Now, once you're in your trades and anytime you close a trade or your trade has stop loss to take profit or you get out of your trade, it's going to be in your history section, right? Over here, it has all the different positions. It'll let you know your balance. It'll let you know when, how much you made, how much you lost, how much did you pay in commissions. Do you have any swap fees? What's your profit? You can change the date on the top right. You can look at different. You can look at the last week, today, the last year. On the top left, you can arrange it in different ways. You can arrange it by profit. You can arrange it by pair. You can do it however. There's so many ways you can do this. So it's pretty cool what you can do here on the history, but it's all just to show you, your history. So that's essentially my MetaTrader 4. Super simple. Like I said, when you get a signal, right, sell XPX, you just come here, go to quotes, find the pair, click it, hit trade, adjust your lot size right here, adjust your lot size, type in whatever stop loss given or whatever stop loss you are using based off your analysis, and take profit, same thing, put it in there, and then you hit buy or you hit sell, depending if you're getting to a buy or sell, and your job is done. Let it go. Just go ahead and let the trade rock out. Either it's going to hit stop loss or take profit, or if you want to get out manually, like I said, you can do that too. So that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. Again, book your one-on-ones. Make sure you're taking them signals. Like I said, hey, listen, the signals is going crazy. Y'all see what's going on, man. So y'all see what's going on, man. Cat GP1 did amazing too, back to back. So keep being great. You guys enjoy the rest of your night.